without warning. Like a tide I can't contain. I feel like I'm holding back the ocean, these storms behind my eyes, telling everyone I'm fine, while the waves betray the lie. Every memory you left me creates currents I can't fight, and the more that I brace myself, the faster they arrive. I try to breathe above it, but the truth keeps pulling me under. Saltwater falls again, sliding down my cheeks like the sea spray in the wind. Saltwater breaking free, every tear a piece of what you meant to me. I can't stop the flood within, but maybe letting go is how the healing finally begins. So let it rise, let it pour, salt water once more. I've been drowning in the silence, in the words we never said, all the promises we whispered, now just echoes in my head. But there's something in the letting go, a cleansing of the ache, like the tide that steals the shoreline, just to give it back again. I'm learning not to fight it, let the waves wash over me. Salt water falls again, sliding down my cheeks like the sea spray in the wind. Salt water breaking free, every tear a piece of what you meant to me. I can't stop the flood within, but maybe letting go is how the healing finally begins. So let it rise, let it pour, salt water once more. Maybe I was meant to break so I could find the pieces worth saving. Maybe all this water's just my way of finally changing. And when the tide recedes at last, I'll see what's left of me, a shoreline shaped by everything you ever meant to me. Salt water falls again, but it's softer now, a whisper where the pain had always been. Salt water setting free, every part of me that's learning who I'm meant to be. I don't fear the flood within, it's the proof that I can rise from where I've been. Let it rise, let it pour, salt water no more. The tide pulls back, and I